In this video, we will learn how to hide birthday notification on Facebook. So let's begin. So the process is same for Android as well as iOS devices. So you don't need to worry if you're on Android. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet. And once connected with the internet, open up your Facebook app. Here we go. So once the Facebook app is open, simply go and tap on these three lines at the right bottom corner. In case of Android, this would be at the right top. Now there are two cases. The first is that you want to hide your own birthday notification and your birthday notification will not be sent to anyone. And the second case is, in this case, no one's birthday notification will come to you. So first we would be solving the first case in which your birthday notification will not be sent to anyone. For that, simply go and tap on see your profile at the top. Tap on these three dots at the right side of add story. Tap on edit profile at the top. Simply scroll down to the bottom. Tap on edit your about info. Scroll down below and here you can see basic info. Tap on edit and basic info. So you can see birthday at the top. What you need to do is tap on this icon at right side of birthday. Tap on more option and make sure that it is selected only me. Select only me. Same goes for the birth year as well. Select only me. Tap on more option. Select only me. Once you have done so, go to the bottom and tap on save. Now no one would be able to see your birthday notification and no one will be notified about your birthday. So the second case is that you want to have no birthday notification from other people as well. For that, simply scroll down below, go to settings and privacy, tap on settings, scroll down below until so you see notifications. Tap on notification settings, scroll down below, you can see birthday. Tap on this and here turn off allowed notifications on Facebook. It says turn off birthday notifications, turn off. So now you will not be receiving any birthday notification from anyone. So hope it has helped you in hiding and turning off your own birthday notification as well as hiding birthday notifications of other people on Facebook as well as Android. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.